Before you waste money at a mechanic shop, watch this first. Honda P0175 can damage your engine and kill your fuel economy fast, but one simple DIY fix might solve it in minutes. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy professional mechanic methods that could clear the code instantly, so watch until the end. This P0175 repair video is especially made for Honda drivers. If your Honda is showing the P0175 error code, this video will guide you through to simple and practical DIY methods to help fix the problem at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle, identify the P0175 code, and diagnose the issue before starting the repair. Honda P0175 means the engine's air-fuel mixture is too rich, which indicates that bank 2 of your Honda is receiving too much fuel or not enough air. This can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idle, black exhaust smoke, and reduced engine performance. Here are 2 of the most practical and effective methods to help fix the Honda P0175 error code and restore proper engine performance. MAF sensors are usually located between the air filter box and the throttle body, where they measure the amount of air entering the engine. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your vehicle and inspect it closely. The small wire inside the sensor can often become dirty over time, which may require proper cleaning to restore accurate airflow readings. Spray the MAF sensor cleaner gently onto the wire, while holding the sensor upright, to help prevent damage to the sensitive components inside the MAF sensor. After the sensor is completely dry, reinstall the MAF sensor back into the vehicle carefully and ensure it is properly secured before starting the engine. The oxygen sensor is usually located on the exhaust manifold or near the catalytic converter. Carefully remove the faulty oxygen sensor and replace it with a new, OEM quality oxygen sensor. After installation, securely reinstall it onto the catalytic converter exhaust system to ensure accurate exhaust readings and proper engine performance. If the Honda P0175 code keeps coming back, don't panic. Check for vacuum hose leaks, weak or leaking fuel injectors, bad fuel pressure regulator, restricted air filter, exhaust system leaks. Any of these problems can force the engine to run too rich and trigger the check engine light again. That's how to fix the Honda P0175 engine code using simple DIY methods at home. Start with the cheapest fixes first because one small sensor problem can save you from expensive engine repairs later. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real mechanic fixes that actually work.